Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper taco like this. So stay tuned and I'll show you how, but it's just paper, so don't eat it. Okay, first you'll need yellow construction paper, some brightly colored tissue paper, a round plate or lid, a black Sharpie pen, a pencil, some scissors, and some Scotch tape. For step 1, you're going to need your plate and your pencil. You're going to take your plate and turn it over, place it on the paper, take your pencil and trace around like that. Next, cut on the line. And cut out your circle. Next, take your Sharpie and you're gonna make some dots. Just like that. Higgledy-piggledy all over the place. So it looks like, starting to look like a corn tortilla. Wow, that looks good. Now it needs some eyes. You're gonna put eyes. So you're gonna draw an oval and another oval, maybe some little eyebrows, and a smiley face just up near the top. Then color in with the black Sharpie. Make sure to leave a little bit of shine, so he's got little shiny black eyes. That's pretty. Makes it look good. Leave that little shine blank inside your oval. Okay, let's see, are they about the same size? I think that looks pretty good. Go over it again, make it dark. Okay, now, next, you're going to kind of fold it in half. This is when you need the tape. Now you'll need your tape. Take the tape, and you're at a small piece like this, and you're going to fold it over on itself, like this. Can you see that? Now it's sticky on both sides, so you can put it on this side and be able to, but before we tape it, before it's up near his head, okay? Up near his head, that's where your tape is. Before we do that, let's put some of the stuffing in. Maybe this is the meat inside the taco. So pull some of this stuffing out that goes inside a package, like when you're going to have a gift package, almost like Easter grass. If you have Easter grass, that'd work good too. And take some of your colored paper. I'm going to take some of this green and cut it up a little bit so it looks like lettuce. So maybe take some of your green and just chop it like that. I'm shredding my lettuce right now. How about that? Okay, that looks like lettuce. Have some lettuce in your taco. Okay, how about some cheese? Let's get some of this orange. I'll fold it up a little bit and we'll shred the cheese. Oh, that's kind of a big piece of cheese. If you make it skinny, it'll look more like shredded cheese that's on your taco. Ooh, that's looking good. I'm getting hungry. Now, this is just a paper taco, so don't eat it for real, okay? It's just for fun. Oh my goodness. This is looking good, boys and girls. Okay, there's my cheese for my cheesy taco. Okay, now it's ready. Let's see if I can get all my toppings in to stay in there. And get them in there. And now I'm gonna tape right there. I'm just gonna sort of hold that together. And then you've got some more. If you want to put some more, and you can stuff some more in the sides, and that's all there is to it. You're almost done. Let me get some more. I need more lettuce. Needs more lettuce. Okay. Okay, it gets a little messy. You've seen the one on my desk at school. So, there we go. Your very own taco. Ta-da!